how to see all notes you have posted on Instagram. Hello everyone and welcome to TechTalk. If you want to see your Instagram note history, all you need to do is follow these few simple steps. So first thing first, open your Instagram app. Now here on bottom of your screen, you will find your profile icon, so tap on it. Now on top right hand side of your screen, you will find this hamburger icon, so tap on it. Now here on middle of your screen, you will find this option here activity, so tap on it. And there again on middle of your screen, you will find this option notes, so tap on it. And there you will find all the list of notes that you have posted on Instagram. So whatever you see here are notes that you shared on post and reels on Instagram. It takes minimum 3 days to appear notes over here. So if you have uploaded recently, then it will take you at least 3 days. So wait for it. So this is how you can see Instagram notes history. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.